Alright. I'm only doing this for my girls, Carla and Angie. Look around. It's your family's place. Oh. Thank you. Oh, thanks, ladies. Thanks, Rosa. Oh. Yeah, let me get a straw. Here. Cheers, my dears. Yes, this is Granzella's. I'll show you. Yeah. Watch me walk. Eat your sandwiches. Look at this meat. I hope you can see all that. I love meat. Oh yeah, they have a full restaurant. McCarty Avenue. Who knows the McCartys? Who knows the Granzellas? This is a great place to stop. Do it. Get some food. Order at the restaurant. Do it. I've done it. And they have a hotel. I haven't stayed there. Angie, Carla, do you guys stay at your family's hotel? Comment below. We want to know. Yeah. Hi. How are you? See everybody here in Williams is so friendly. And oh, we pulled in here almost on E, like in the red, and like 11 miles. Yeah. Anyways, you can take your food up here, and you can eat. Great little picnic areas. Unless you're a maniac like me. Alright, I'll turn it down a little bit. So I'm going to explain. Look at this. Now, you'd think I'd go through Davis. No. We're going to Santa Rosa. Because the view's better, you guys. Oh, and look. This is how I do my food. Melted cheese. What's up, India? Sushanti. Comment below. I love you guys.